Good morning, student. Myself S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Nan Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Now, today we are going to study the Pythagoras theorem, chapter number 2, math second. In this Pythagoras theorem, we are going to take today one of the example. In the example, the figure segment PS is the median of a triangle PQR and PT perpendicular side QR. This PS is the median and this PT is perpendicular on the side QR. Prove that PR square equal to PS square plus QR into ST plus QR divided by 2 bracket square. Second proof is PQ square equal to PS square. This PQ square equal to PS square minus QR into ST plus QR by 2 bracket square. Now write down in proof. Firstly the given, that is the PS is median. Segment PS is the median of triangle PQR given. Then we can write down QS equal to SR. QS equal to SR equal to 1 by 2 QR. That is the equation 1 is the property of the median. Then segment PT perpendicular side QR, it is also given. Because of this perpendicular we get here triangle PTS. This triangle, in this triangle angle PTS equal to 90 degree. Then we can write down Pythagoras theorem. PS square equal to PT square plus TS square. That is the equation number 2, Pythagoras theorem. Then we can write down here the second triangle PTR. This triangle, in this triangle angle PTR equal to 90 degree. That is the given. Then we write down Pythagoras theorem. PR square equal to PT square plus TR square. That is the Pythagoras theorem. Then replace this TR by TS plus SR. Then write down PR square equal to PT square plus TS plus SR. TS plus SR bracket close bracket square. Point S lie between T and R. Then square of this bracket PR square equal to PT square plus TS square plus 2 into TS into SR plus SR square. Then replace this SR from equation this 1 and see here PT square plus TS square. PT square plus TS square is nothing but PS square. From this equation 1 and 2 we write down here PS square plus 2 into ST into QR by 2 plus QR by 2 bracket close bracket square. From equation 1 and 2 this 2 and this 2 cancel. Then PR square equal to PS square plus ST into QR plus QR by 2 bracket square. In this way we can complete the first to prove, that is the proof. Then for this second proof we write down here the triangle PTQ. In this triangle angle PTQ equal to 90 degree. That is the given. Then write down Pythagoras theorem. PQ square equal to PT square plus TQ square. Now this TQ can be replaced like this. TQ equal to QS minus TS. Write down in bracket PQ square equal to PT square plus, for this TQ in bracket QS minus TS bracket square. Point T lie between Q and S. Then square of this bracket, firstly write down PQ square as it is equal to PT square plus square of this bracket QS square minus 2 into QS into TS plus this TS square. Now take this TS with PT square. PQ square equal to PT square plus this TS square minus 2 into, replace this QS by 1 upon 2 QR, that is the QR by 2 plus TS, that is the QR by 2 into TS plus QR by 2 bracket square from equation 1. Then we get here PQ square as it is equal to this PT square plus TS square. From equation number 2 we can write down PS square, means we write down PQ square equal to PS square minus these 2 to cancel, then RQ into TS plus RQ divided by 2 bracket square as it is. Then we prove here the second proof also. So then we see the another example. The another example is in triangle ABC, point M is the midpoint of side BC if AB square plus AC square equal to 290 centimeter square, AM equal to 8 centimeter, find BC. In this triangle ABC, the point M is midpoint of this side BC, means AM is the median of this triangle. Now write down in triangle ABC, segment AM is the median of a triangle, that is the given. Then write down the Apollonius theorem on this triangle. AB square plus AC square equal to twice AM square plus twice BM square, that is the Apollonius theorem. Then put the value AB square plus AC square equal to 290, then AM equal to 8, 2 into in bracket 8 square into 2 into BM square. Now 290 equal to 8 square is 64, 64 into 2 128 plus 2 BM square. Then write down 2 BM square equal to 290 minus 128. The subtraction of these two we get 162. Then write down BM square equal to 162 by 2. These two divide to the right side number. Then BM square equal to 81. Then BM equal to 9, taking square root on both sides. Then write down M is the midpoint of this side BC, means BM equal to 1 by 2 BC. That is the midpoint property. Then BM equal to 1 by 2 BC, put the value BM, 9 equal to 1 by 2 BC. Then BC equal to 9 into 2. Then BC equal to 18 centimeter. In this way we find the value of this side BC. Good day, goodbye, okay.